What's going on, guys? Crypto Renegade again here for you, and in today's video I'm going to give you the best free crypto wallets in 2021. But before I jump into the content, I just updated my free new ebook, 7 Best Ways to Secure Your Crypto, updated for 2021. It's 100% free, so go ahead and check that out down below in the description, and it will also be pinned in the comments below. All right, let's get started. All right, guys, welcome back. So we're going to jump right back into what the best free crypto wallets in 2021 are and the ones that I personally use. Now, I normally recommend that you use a hardware wallet for any crypto that you don't plan on spending in the next few days, as that's the safest and most secure way to store your crypto, hands down. However, when people are just getting started or are receiving their first Bitcoin or Ethereum or ERC20 token, they may need to get acquainted with a free crypto wallet first. I will link above a video right here that explains the difference between software and hardware wallets and the pros and cons if you'd like a better understanding. For now, here are the best free cryptocurrency wallets for both beginners and veterans of the space. They each have a different use cases for me, and it may be different for each person, so I'll explain which ones I use and for which purpose, and you don't want to get left behind like D and Dennis here.
Hey, that's Dennis and D! Driver, pull over! Hey, Dennis! D! Oh.
Hey, how's it going?
Oh, yeah?
Oh, real good. Looking to get into Bitcoin lately. Hey, when do you think the next dip is? You haven't bought yet? No, we're gonna wait until it dips to 5K, and then we're all in. Oh,
Driver, we're done here.
All right, number 5 is Trust Wallet. This is my go-to wallet for NFTs when I'm buying and reselling, but not for holding on long term. If you want to see my hardware wallet of choice for long-term NFT holdings, click in the top right corner here to check out that video. Trust Wallet is a decentralized mobile crypto wallet that supports over 160 digital assets and allows users to stake their coins to earn interest. It also offers a built-in Web3 browser that gives users access to decentralized applications or dApps built on the Ethereum platform. Honestly, it's a good wallet produced by Binance and is regularly updated to support multiple new ERC standards like 721 and 1155, and is pretty much always on the cutting edge. Number 4, Exodus. This is the wallet I use when I manage a lot of my coins on my Trezor Model T hardware wallet, which to me is a huge selling point. With that said, this is a well-designed desktop hot wallet and is very intuitive and user-friendly. They also just released new and updated iOS app and Android app as well. As I mentioned, I primarily use this as my desktop wallet, as it's very easy to send, receive, and manage your portfolio, and even set goals and timelines based on their intuitive graphs and charts that are built in and included, which is really nice. They also have staking set up for several coins in this wallet like Cardano, Algorand, VeChain, Ontology, Tezos, and a lot more. Not only that, they have built-in apps for coin swaps and trades as well. But I will say the fees on the coin swaps here and trades are a lot higher than I'd like them to be. But if you don't plan on swapping coins on the wallet directly, this is a top-notch and well-designed wallet overall. Number 3, Atomic Wallet. This is my micro cap and low cap coins wallet. To be honest, this wallet I only use when I get in on early projects on low cap coin exchanges and I want to store them on this wallet instead of leaving them on the exchange. Also, if there is no hardware wallet support yet for these specific coins. This is not very often, and I really only use this wallet in these scenarios personally. With that said, this is also a well-designed wallet for both desktop and mobile. It holds over 500 plus coins and tokens. so more than any other mainstream wallet that I've ever seen or used. If there is a new coin you want to pull off the exchange and into your own wallet so you can hold your own private keys, this is most likely the answer. It also has atomic swaps built in for low fees for coin swapping and is honestly pretty easy to use. Number 2, BitPay wallet. So this is a wallet I've used for years, primarily for using my BitPay card. I did a review on this about my experience of this wallet and how the card works about 2 years ago. And I will link that up right here in the top right corner if you want to get an in-depth understanding of how the BitPay wallet with the card upload works. I used to live off of crypto for over 2 years once upon a time, solely. And this was the wallet that allowed me to spend my crypto and use it on a Visa debit card when needed. The wallet, though, allows you to purchase gift cards in the app. You can also shop on certain websites like Amazon, Twitch, DoorDash, and more. And then additionally, you can exchange between Ethereum and ERC20 tokens, Bitcoin Cash, XRP, several different stable coins, including DAI, and of course BTC. These are the primary coins supported on this wallet, but again, I only use this for the ability to spend my crypto flawlessly and instantly. If you ever need to spend your crypto, this card/app has just been accepted to be used with Apple Pay as well, which is nice and is one that I've used for many, many years. Very solid. Now, my number 1 app that I use that's a software app is blockchain.com. This is the number 1 software wallet that I've used. It's been around from the early days, and it's been also adding lots of constant upgrades and support, not to mention new coins as well. I choose this one because not only do I trust it, but the user experience is super easy. When I introduce someone new to Bitcoin or need to send them Bitcoin, I tell them to download this wallet. This wallet has the lowest transaction fees that I've found and has an in-house exchange or coin swap where you can easily swap coins between these internal wallets. Now again, this is still only a handful of coins, but it's reliable, and after years of constant use, this is still my default software wallet that I use on my phone. This also has a web app and also has a block explorer built in so that you can track your transactions directly on the integrated blockchain explorer as well. So it's extremely transparent. It also allows you to create backups, use 2FA, and use Face ID and or Touch ID if you use an iPhone like I do. As always, I don't recommend you store any crypto on here long term. I never have more than a couple $100s worth of crypto on this wallet at any given time, and is one I use for daily spending and for everyday transactions. If you're just getting started and you're not sure where to start, I would probably start here. And depending on which coins you're trying to acquire and or send or receive, also what your goals are, i.e. are you gonna use it to make a payment for your first time or keep it for your long-term savings? You just wanna educate yourself so you're like this.
I'm just ahead of the curve.
All right, guys, what do you think? Have you used any of these free crypto wallets yet? If not, which one do you think you're most likely to try first? Let me know which one is your favorite of these down in the comments below, or if there's a different one that you recommend that I didn't mention. Either way, go ahead and click right here in the top right of the screen to watch my video on Crypto Hardware Wallets Explained, which dives more into why you need a hardware wallet if you don't already have one. All right, guys, I will see you in that next video. Crypto Renegade out.